be showing you a quick bun tutorial how to like do this little bun. It's pretty simple. I used to wear it at school, but yeah. So this is gonna be a nice quick video. Sorry about that looking noise, but so first thing you wanna do is take out your hair and make sure it's brushed. You know, make sure it's brushed. And we can fix something on my head. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pitch your head down and grab all your hair like this, and then you're gonna hold it up. And I think whatever hairband you need, but I'm gonna use a scrunchie because it's really easy to do with a scrunchie. But yeah, and then you're gonna tie it once, flip it, and then after that, you're gonna pull it up just a notch. After that, flick it out, and boom, a messy bun. And then if you have bobby pins, you just hold this and then just clip it on so it's beside it. But yeah, there's a little quick bun tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe, period.